Hi guys, if you want to add a blank page in Google Docs, then let's see how to do it. So first of all, open your Google Docs document and let's say for the example, you have a Google Docs document like this and you want to add a blank page above this page. So to add the blank page, simply take your cursor at the top, you can see, and then from the top menu, go to insert section here and then scroll down and click on break and then select the page break. And now a blank page has been added just above this. You can see this is the blank page. Similarly, let's say you want to add a blank page just below this. So simply take your cursor here where you want to add the blank page. You can see, and then go to the insert section and then click on break and select the page break option. And a blank page will be added just below this. You can see here is the blank page. So you can see how simple it is to add a blank page in Google Docs. Wherever you want to add a blank page, simply take your cursor there and then go to insert section, click on break and select the page break option. And a blank page will be added. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily add a blank page in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.